Megan Pope.
Hi, I'm Ben Rice.
And we are not missing this year's Livermush Festival.
No, we are not. However you're going to have it, that's how we're going to have it. And how are we having it today, Megan?
We are going to have a little Livermush Wellington, an upscale dish made out of the finest Max Livermush.
Yes, an upscale dish from my uptown Shelby kitchen. So yeah, a traditional Wellington is a beef loin wrapped, encased in some pate with
mushrooms,
and then there's supposed to be a piece of ham in there somewhere, but you don't need any extra pork when you use the right Livermush. And so the whole thing is wrapped up in pastry and then baked.
Being perfect.
So
yes.
yeah, so we will have ourselves a couple of little mini Wellingtons.
Made after a dish made for the Duke of Wellington.
No, it was named after Minnie Wellington. She lived on South Lafayette.
No, she didn't.
She did too. She lived across the street from Squirrel Jenkins.
So let us show you how to make a little Livermush Wellington today.
Can't wait. All right, Megan, soup's on. Ooh.
Ooh, it smells good.
Yes. Look at that.
Will you do the honors?
I will plate this up for us.
Yes.
Look at that.
Ooh, it's crispy.
Pretty brown.
Tender on the inside.
All right.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. I think it's fantastic. I think that using the Max was a good decision. Don't need to say return of, because they've been here since the beginning of the Livermush Festival 30 years ago.
Wow.
And just as flavorful today. Happy Livermush Festival, everybody.
Happy Livermush Festival.